Things to keep in mind if this is your first time. Don't worry about making that perfect video. Getting started is the key. There is no need for you to worry about that fancy equipment. What you have at hand will do for you. Now let's get started. You want to start a new YouTube channel. You want to join YouTube platform. You want to be online, even when it's not YouTube. You want to start creating videos on TikTok, on Facebook, and other social media. What you have at hand can do for you. Now let's get started. What are those things that you need? You know, as a new person, you mustn't wait for you to make and create that perfect video. The old YouTubers that you see their videos very fine and other things you are seeing in their video, go back and watch their first video when they started. Their first videos is not as their videos are this time you are watching. When they started, they never procrastinated. So let's kill that procrastination and start today. The things you need, the basic thing to create a YouTube channel, to start a YouTube channel. Number one point is your inspiration. You must be inspired either by watching other creators on YouTube, how they do their things. Another point is motivation. After being inspired, you will now get motivation. You will be motivated because you can be inspired without being motivated. So after getting this inspiration and motivation to start creating videos on YouTube platform and other online platform, another point there is your time. You have been inspired, you have been motivated. Another thing you have to do is to create out time. You must create out time for YouTube, for any platform, and even in any business you are doing, whether you are going to school, whether you are working, in anything you are doing, there must be time. So you have to make out time for YouTube. Another point is your mindset, your good mindset. You must have a good mindset before you start. You have to give yourself a positive mindset that I can do it and I will join YouTube and I will be successful. That is when you will be able to give out something valuable and get the dividend on YouTube. Then the baba is your phone on your hand. You have that smartphone. Almost everybody is using a smartphone. You don't wait when you will have that fancy equipment. Somebody will say, I need to get camera, I need to get tripod stand, I need to get ring light, I need to get that colorful light. Go and ask the old YouTubers when they started, did they have those fancy colorful lights? Those tripod stands you are seeing on their videos, they started little. So you have to start now by using that phone on your hand, because your phone will go a long way for you. Even that camera you are waiting for has a limitation. Phone can film video for you. You can use phone and edit video, and you can use phone and get other apps and put things in order and also post your video, and you will start going viral. After getting ready with your phone, the next thing you have to do is to tell yourself the niche. So many new YouTubers don't know what is niche. Niche means the area you want to base on YouTube. Some creators will tell you you don't need to have a niche. You don't need to base somewhere. You have to start doing so many things. The ones that is going more viral, you join them. I don't think that is true. There are things that you have passion doing. There are things that when you do it, people pay attention. It can be making funny videos. It can be the way you talk. It can be you inspiring others by giving a inspirational speech. Now, when you niche down, meaning niching down is when you niche down, choosing a particular area where you will be creating your content. To create content, you know you can create a content on at ease without giving you headache. You can do it freely, and when people sees it, people will enjoy it. If it's comedy, people will be happy watching you. If it's teaching, people want to hear you teach. If it's about finance, people want to learn about finance from you. If it is educational, people want to learn about education from you. If it's the way you do your things, people want to watch you, how you live your life in your house. So you must niche down. You cannot be doing comedy today, tomorrow you are doing gaming, tomorrow you are cooking, tomorrow you are, at a point it will kill your channel. That is why so many new YouTubers get bored and get tired even when they have made up their mind to be a content creator. This is one of the reasons why they quit so easily. After you have made up your mind, your mindset, your phone on your heart, you have niched down, is getting these apps, these tools that will help you after creating your content with your video. After you might have choose your niche, you have to go to your Play Store and download your CapCut. You will use CapCut to edit your videos because there are so many things you want to remove from your video. There are things you want to put in. It's CapCut you will use because CapCut has free version. Another app you can use is Canva. Canva also has a free version you will use to create your thumbnail. And if you want me to create video on how to create a thumbnail, drop your comment at the comment section. Another one, you will be like, I am a new person. How do I get video ideas? Number one, you can introduce yourself first. After introducing yourself, now you can use ChatGPT. Those ones are pro version, that is, they are paid for. But with ChatGPT, as a new person, you can use ChatGPT to get your video idea. Go to ChatGPT and type, give me video ideas as a beginner on YouTube. It will give you the video ideas, and you can also tell ChatGPT to give you scripts and it will generate the script for you. You can as well use Google. After downloading these apps, downloading your CapCut, Canva, ChatGPT, after downloading these apps, CapCut, Canva, ChatGPT, your YouTube Studio. Your YouTube Studio is one of the most important apps you need to have on your phone. You have been using your Play Store to download so many things. So through your Play Store, you can download all these apps. You use your YouTube Studio to know how your videos and your channel is growing and doing. That is the essence of what? Of your YouTube Studio. Another one is, I need a tripod stand. As a beginner, for me, I don't think you need that tripod stand to start. So far, you have all these things I mentioned earlier in place: your inspiration, motivation, your time, your phone. After telling yourself all these ones, that is when you now talk about your niching down. Then you now download all these apps I mentioned, the basic apps you can use after you have filmed your videos, your first video or your first videos. You can use your DIY. Use carton and set your phone and shoot your videos. Use your natural light in your house, shoot your videos during the day, open your windows and curtains. See you for more videos. Bye.